Hi, Sarah. Welcome to my new apartment. Come on in.
Thanks, Alex. Wow, your living room looks great. It's so cozy.
I'm glad you like it. The walls are light blue, and I have a big window that lets in a lot of sunlight.
The sunlight makes the room feel so bright and cheerful. I love your sofa. It's a nice shade of gray.
Thanks. It's really comfortable. I also have a small coffee table in front of the sofa. On the table, there's a vase with fresh flowers.
The flowers add a nice touch. What about the paintings on the wall? Did you choose them yourself?
Yes, I did. I love art, so I picked these paintings because they remind me of nature. The one above the sofa is my favorite.
It's beautiful. I also like the bookshelf in the corner. Do you read a lot?
Yes, I do. I have a collection of my favorite books there. I also keep some photo albums on the shelf.
This room really feels like home. You did a great job decorating it.
Thank you, Sarah. I'm glad you think so.
Yeah, one listening test. Listen to the conversation and answer the following questions. Choose the correct answer A, B, or C. What color are the walls in Alex's living room? What is in front of the sofa? What is on the coffee table? What is Alex's favorite painting about? Where is the bookshelf located in the living room?